Hello and welcome to PROvinyl.
Hold your breath. Make a wish.
This is our secret project that we've worked around the clock to create. We were given a 1929 Studebaker President and transformed it, turning an old car into a magical vehicle that can be used as the ultimate marketing tool for the upcoming Charlie and the Chocolate Factory musical. Our design concept revolved around major themes from the musical, utilising various colour schemes to make it really stand out, along with designs that mimicked the unique styling of the musical. To achieve a 3D effect, along with giving more depth, we felt that the best way was to combine multiple vinyl and laminate films on top of each other. We wanted to keep within the theme of wonder, magic and mystery that Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is known for, which is why we remained with dark blue and purple colours, along with ivory gold conformable chrome accents running along the bonnet and down the car. To highlight the vehicle, we removed the rusted metal elements for sandblasting and powder coating with the help of our powder coating workshop division, Wheels Respray. The old wooden running board steps down the side of the vehicle were sanded and regaled together before being touched up with varnish. After the varnish, we decided to tack on a gold embossed W in cursive on the panel. In the process of updating it and keeping it appropriate for the time period, we ordered in new tan leather straps for the spare tyres that are mounted on the side of the vehicle. Along with a number of attempts, and along with research and development, the main purple colour was printed onto an Avery Diamond Series vinyl with a UV printer, and paint protection film was applied over the top to secure and preserve the artwork and to give it a deep, high gloss finish. Lamination with black shadowing was printed over the top, and the final lamination was the high gloss, which was used to give the vinyl a stunning finish. And due to the thin material, a heat gun wasn't used during the application process, but instead required a special application liquid to aid in the installation stage, which we didn't want to stray too far from the original design, as we felt the unique style of the car was a good contrast to the fun and wacky elements that we applied, such as the addition of the gold squirrel as the bonnet mascot. The reason being that this car was supposed to be nutty, just like Willy Wonka himself. Along with the squirrel, we attached custom horns on both sides of the vehicle. Once we were finished, we felt that the vehicle needed white walls to complete the retro touch. This was definitely an interesting car to work on, and undoubtedly was difficult, especially with all the unique aspects of the vehicle that required to be wrapped, combined with the sandblasting of the metal elements of the car and the white wall tyres. This complete transformation was only achievable at PROvinyl.